we have a parcel. Let's have a look. I'm missing something. Batter. Cheers. Happy Homebrew Wednesday, fellas. Let's dive into this one. It's not beer 52, by the way, but it's from someone who does have beer 52, if that's any clue. It's hard and it's shiny. Look at that baby. Flask Gordon arrives in Cheshire. Wow, this has done the rounds. From the one and only Mr. Ian Carroll. So cheers, Ian. This is what we've got, fellas. Okay. Dear David, sorry about the delay for sending this off to you. As you may have seen, things have been difficult lately. I know Ian did watch the video, and I do hope things, you know, do even out for you. And we're all getting older, and we're all going to have health problems in the future. So we'll stick together, and let's not forget this great hobby brought us together, and it'll keep us together. Okay, hope you enjoy this beer, and it's okay. The beer is a beer made in collaboration with Robbie Williams of the Hop Shed. Did see a video on that a while back. Based it on my recipe for Arrogant Bastard Ale, and I had one of those years ago, not off Ian. Or may have had one off Ian, but it was from a shop, and it was a can, and it was Founding Mill, and it was £5, and I think it's a lot of money for one can of beer, but it was fantastic. Okay, we based it up on my recipe, Arrogant Bastard. I decided to add biscuit malt also. The hops are Chinook by and large. I have printed off the recipe. If it's any good, you are welcome to use it. If it's crap, then I apologise, and I'll give you full permission to tip it and set it on fire. Cheers, Ian. Don't think we'll need to do that. As I write, 7 tastes. Robbie and I split the full batch between us, and I also gave him some Kvite yeast. He fermented with this, and I use Gervin. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, Ian. I'm going to get the tin and we'll have a pop. Albert's here. Right. Arrogant Bastard Ale. So, I'm thinking, I know it needs condition in the thing, but did Big John, Red Dog Brewers, restart this? Got some signatures or writing. So we've got Red Dog Brewer, Timmy Jenkins, Hapless Ginger Beer, Bing Bong, Brastoff Brewery, Beanham Homebrew, Flat Beer, Mick, Live Spirit Brewery, Ian, Homebrew, I think that's at Baldy's, Heathen Brewer, Dude's Brew. So privileged to try this one, Ian, and I'll have to obviously fill it up when I've drunk this one. I'll give you a review on this. I got some more beer reviews to do as well. I've got a Russian Imperial Stout from Z German, which we'll be trying hopefully next week. It's been too warm, I think, for a RAS, hasn't it? Anyway, so we'll try that. Look at that. I might put a bit of footage on the trip on this, and Albert's having a good roll around. So cheers, thanks again, Ian. God bless, mate. Appreciate it. We'll crack it, we'll pour it once it's conditioned, and I'll give you an honest review. If it's any good, I might even make it myself. So cheers. Happy on Wednesday, fellas. Catch you later. Right, fellas, 5 to 7, so heading for the Captain's Table tonight. It's gala evening. Got my finest on, so you don't see me like this very often, so it's quite a nice change. My jogging bottoms and my hoodies, so yeah, off to Stavanger, some footage there and on to Bergen, and we'll catch you in the next one.